Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we did talk this week about Edge 123 that arrived, actually was released late on Friday last week, rolled out through the weekend, but a lot of you said, I'm not on 123, I'm on 122. It says it's up to date, and indeed we have confirmation by Microsoft. They pulled the update because of compatibility issues. So that means that some of us got the update, and what I see here is that most of you that have it seem to say that it works fine. And some of you, of course, are still on 122. So if you go into the three horizontal dots, go into help and feedback, go about Microsoft, you will see that it could be updating or not. What's happening is that Microsoft says they pulled it for compatibility issues, mostly for enterprise. They will start, and they did say that starting today, March 27th, is probably when they're going to resume the Edge update. So that means today or tomorrow, you should get into Edge 123 if you're still at 122. They should be resuming that update for this. It's supposed to have installed a secret app. Some people say there's some app that came out of the same update with Edge. Microsoft says, well, yeah, that update, which is called Microsoft Copilot, is simply an update that makes extra use of the Copilot app. So if you see something like that that might have appeared with the Edge update, it's possible that it was with Edge at some point. So if you're still on 122, later today or tomorrow, you probably will get 123 as Microsoft will resume its update. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.